Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and today we're going to be looking at a few options for the front bumper of the Axial SCX10 Jeep Cherokee kit. The Jeep Cherokee kit comes with this front bumper here, and as you can see, this front bumper sticks out quite far. And one of the problems with this bumper is that it gets hung up quite a bit on some obstacles. So I'm going to be looking at a few options to take care of that. One is to modify this stock front bumper. Two is to install this SSD Rock Shield front bumper. And three is to install the Honcho front bumper from Axial. And that looks like that. So when we're right back, I'll show you the modifications that I do to this stock front bumper and how it looks like afterwards. Alright, so what I've done with this stock front bumper is to trim off 2 holes from these pegs, and later I'm going to drill holes right there, which is pretty much as far as this bumper can be pushed in. So let's just take a look at what it looks like if it were to be fully mounted. So stock, it kind of sits out like that, and with that edge, or with those pegs shortened, that brings in the bumper like that. So there's quite a bit of improvement. Reduces the overhang. And there's still a little bit of room to mount a winch should you decide to mount one, as long as you can find one that kind of fits within this narrow frame. So let's take a look at what it looked like before. It's about right there. And with it modified, it goes into about that much. And this is how it looks. Next, we'll take a look at the Axial Honcho bumper. Alright, here is the Honcho bumper, and let's take a look at how this looks. Alright. So with it all the way in, we've got some nice clearance as well. It's really nice and tight to the body. This is how it looks from the front. I'll get you a better view in just a second. Alright, so this is how that bumper looks from the front. Not too bad. I also like how it covers the full width of the Cherokee body. Okay, next up we have the SSD bumper. And it's got a really nice approach angle, as you can see. And it mounts right into the C channel of the frame. Okay, this is how it looks from the front. Now the only problem I have with this front bumper is that it doesn't go the full width of the body, but if you had a Wrangler body, it would be perfect because of the narrower front. But as far as approach angle goes, it's definitely got a nice approach angle there that would probably give you some nice performance. Now I will decide between the three bumpers. I'll finish modifying the stock front bumper and the honcho bumper. I'll take a good look at. I don't think I'll be using the SSD bumper. I'll probably save it for a Wrangler body that I have for another truck, just because it doesn't go over the full width of the body. So I'll be right back when I mount up the bumper that I choose. Okay, we're back. I've chosen a bumper, and as you can see, I've chosen the Axial honcho bumper. So I felt like the honcho bumper was the best compromise between approach angle and protection up for the body of the Cherokee. So this is what it looks like mounted. Nice narrow approach angle right there. It's not sticking way out like the stock bumper was, and at the same time you got enough protection for the Cherokee body. And that's it. Thanks for watching.